Namaste. I am Dr. Srinivasa Murthy. I am Professor of Pediatrics and in charge of neonatal unit at JSS Hospital, Mysuru. I am going to introduce about one of our innovation which has been very helpful in our unit. The idea came from the fact that our nurses were struggling to feed the babies because they had to hold the particular babies on gravity feeds. They had to hold the syringe for a good amount of time till it gets emptied and then birth the baby and then go to the next one. So we did assess the amount of variation in the feeding rate that could encounter in such situation. We found out it was astonishingly 32 times. So we believe that automating this particular manual process would be beneficial, and that's where we got this feed rate. In order to address this issue, we developed this feed rail, which is a very innovative product which has been successfully used in our unit. At the outset, you can see this is a small cute little box which can be fixed to the side rails of the warmer, and then it has a small tower and a fancy spaceship looking syringe holder which can hold any size of the syringe, and on the back you can see the controls, and there is a safety sensor as well. So all that you need to do is switch on the power button and then you can see the light flashing. Once you are ready, the syringe has to be filled with the milk and the nurse has to just press this button play. Then you can see the syringe slowly rises. So once the syringe rises, the milk will flow, and once the milk flow rate is something which is appropriate for a given baby, I'm insisting on this because there will be always uniqueness in babies feeding. Each baby will tolerate a particular rate of feed and the nurse will know it better. So once she thinks that the flow rate is achieved by that, she can just press the pass button and leave it there so that the milk will flow at a very steady rate. And after developing this one, we did a study on this and we could maintain a flow rate of 1 to 1.5 ml per kg per hour consistently without any problem, and we did not notice any issues with this machine. So thanks for watching. I hope it will be very interesting for you as well.
It's a very simple device designed to reduce the effort in gavage feeding of just born or premature babies in a NICU. If you see on the front side, you will see that it has a syringe holder where it looks like a spaceship. It comes with a self-locking velcro. You just have to make sure you attach the syringe here and lock it with velcro. Very easy to operate. It will hold any size syringe, small syringe to big syringe it can hold. And this tube will go to the babies through the nose into its stomach, and this is a consumable which the doctors replace there. So the device is very simple to operate, very intuitive also. It has got some really smart features built in. On this side you have a power button and a charging socket. So I press the power button on and you will see power indicator and the battery status indicator turn on. Now if the battery is green, it means the battery has a reasonable charge. As the battery charge goes down, it turns orange and then red, and then it stops functioning, asking you to recharge. So it has a play button. Once you press the play button, you will see this play indicator start blinking, which is saying that it's doing the play job. On the other side, you will see the syringe lift up slowly from this to here at a very slow speed, so that the few mLs of feed that they put in the syringe goes to stomach in a very gradual and slow manner, like they would do in a typical manual gavage feeding. Then if you want to bring the syringe back down to start position, you can always say rewind, and the syringe starts coming back to bottom position. So the device also has some safety features built in, which is very critical. Along with the catheter tube like this, which goes through the nose of the baby, you just have to attach this sensor and put a plaster here. So in case the baby has some irritation and tries to take the catheter out by placing its hand, this sensor will trigger and this will go into alert mode. In fact, if you don't attach this sensor, the device won't even start. It goes into this alert mode, gives a warning indicator here, and it doesn't even start. So now I put it here to my cheek and I press start. It starts working. So as it is working, in case the baby takes the sensor out or baby disturbs the sensor, so the device stops functioning and alerts the nurse who is monitoring the baby. So the device also has some smart features built in, like there is no need to stop it, it automatically stops. There are enough sensors to make sure that when the syringe has reached the top, it shuts down itself, and when you press the rewind button, it will automatically shut down once it reaches the bottommost position.